Hey lovelies, it's Frederica. I'm back with a little short cooking video. Just wanted to let you know what we're having right now for dinner, because it's almost 6. We have an Applegate natural uncured turkey hot dogs. I got this in a 10-ounce package. We had 2 left, so that's what me and my daughter are gonna have. I put it in my Amusa rice cooker, and I cooked it for about 45 minutes, give or take. So yeah, guess what? These rice cookers have actually gone up. They used to be what, like $15.99. Now I checked on Target and they were like $24.90. Anyway, inflation is real, guys. Then I got these Pepperidge Farm hot dog buns. There was 8. Now there's a few less in here, but I recommend the ones over at Walmart. Brioche hot dog buns, those were the best. But these are going to hit. I'm going to put them in this skillet right here, and you'll see that process too. Then we got our tomatoes. Got these over at Target. Got some Kraft cheese. I think I got this over at Walmart. Walmart doesn't carry Sargento cheese. I don't know why. Sargento to me is the best. Target has that, so I'd rather have Sargento, but I'm kicking it with the Kraft. It's good. Then we got some relish, and I'm going to cut up some onions and tomatoes, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, lovely. So when you take your hot dog buns out, you're going to turn it on the skillet. I don't know why my stove is not really cooperating with me right now. And you're going to flip these over so you can grill them and make them nice inside. So you don't really need any oil. So just make sure you turn on your stove, as you can see. That goes for a little bit. I'm going to chop up these onions. I use purple onions, which is good. And then I'm going to get this all set, and then I'll bring it back to you. I just got a little plate that we can put it on the side, and people can use how much or less of whatever vegetables that they want to use. I also need to cut up the tomatoes, which is back here. But I think I'm going to just use all the cheese because I need to get some more. As you can see, we love cheese around here. So this is going to grill, and it's going to look really grilled inside, and that just gives your, hot dog a better flavoring. I reheated my hot dogs in here because they were already pre-cooked before we left. And I'm using Culver French fries. Right, I'm using Culver French fries. Let's see what else. Yeah, so we're going to get some Culver French fries. So once I have everything plated, I'll bring it back to you, all right? Okay, so here are the Culver fries. Culver's has the best fries. If you have not tried Culver's fries when it's hot and fresh from their fryer, then I don't know what to tell you, but they have the best fries in America, to me. That's what I say. Go try it for yourself. And they give you the nicest ketchup packets ever where you can just dip, or you can, they've been having the dip and squeeze packets. Like, who gives you this? Nobody but Culver's. So why make my fries when I can get them from Culver's? Okay. Anyway, here we go. This is how the hot dog buns turned out when you grill them. Try it. Trust me, it works. And then those are our turkey hot dogs, which I told you guys what it is. But when I do the video and edit it and everything, I'll show you exactly the brand again. So these are turkey hot dogs. I had pre-cooked them. All I had to do was reheat them a little bit and bring you back what the hot dog is going to look like. And it's a little messy in this area, so don't mind the mess. Okay, be back in a minute. Okay, lovelies, and this is the loaded hot dog I just created at home with delicious Culver fries. I share some of the fries with my son because I'm not going to eat them all. And yeah, now I'm about to eat, shut down the camera, and I know it's going to be delicious. All right, I hope you like this quick and easy meal for you and your family. Bye.